Hello everyone! In this video we will establish the connection between Dropbox and Odoo with the help of the module Cloud Storage Solutions and add-on Dropbox Odoo Integration. So let's start the configuration. Dropbox depends on an external library's Dropbox. Install this library for your Odoo server through the command pip3 install Dropbox. Make sure that you're installing the package for the correct Python, so for the same one on which Odoo is run. Usually that assumes running the command under sudo. Contact your system administrator if after installation Odoo cannot anyway detect the library. And now it's the high time to configure Dropbox. For that, find the link, for example, in the documentation, Cloud Storage Solutions, in the article Dropbox Implementation. Here it is, or on one of the pages, faOtools, Dropbox Odoo Integration or Cloud Storage Solutions, in the tab Guidelines, Configuration and Login, or in Odoo, in Guidelines, Configuration and Login. Here's the link. Here, what you will see. Firstly, you need to choose an API as scoped access. Choose the type of access as full Dropbox. Then name your app. And click Create App. Here you need to find the line redirect URLs. And now let's find this link in Odoo. For that, go to Cloud Storage, Configuration, Cloud Clients, and click Create. Start writing the reference and choose the Cloud Client as Dropbox. And here is our link. This link is generated automatically as you create a cloud client, but make sure that your site is written correctly. Copy it and paste here. Click Add. Then go to the tab Permissions and make sure you have the following permissions granted. Account info read, files metadata write and read, files content write and read, and collaboration, sharing, write and read. For Team Dropbox, you need to also assign team data members. Here it is. And members read. We don't have Dropbox teams, so we don't need to grant those permissions. Now click Submit. Now let's return back to the tab Settings. Find App Key, copy it, and add it to the corresponding field in Odoo. Then copy App Secret and add it to Odoo. Here also, if you have Dropbox Teams, you need to check the Dropbox Teams box. Dropbox has a specific way to generate links for existing files and folders. In particular, there are no concepts of internal or private URLs. Instead, each Dropbox item might get a so-called share URL. Such shared links are either public or team-only. So sometimes it's considered to be not fully safe. Although website URL will be hardly known by external users, there's still a slight chance that they become available. That's why the feature to switch off sharing URLs is introduced. If checked, all Dropbox URLs will not work in many cases. For example, you will not be able to use the button Open in Cloud. Also, you will not be able to open such formats as Excel Access, which cannot be opened through the standard Odoo reviewers. For that, authorization will be required. Thus, if you need to open Dropbox files, folders from Odoo, do not turn on the feature No links to Dropbox from Odoo. And now we can save. Then click Confirm. After that, you will be redirected to the Dropbox login page. Check in and agree with all the conditions and grant permissions asked. And we are redirected back to Odoo. Dropbox is configured. I hope this video will be useful for you. Feel free to contact us to try the module in the demo instance. See you in the next videos.